Ever wished your phone could stay silent automatically during meetings, bedtime, or focus hours? Well, the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone does just that. I'll make sure to show you how to set it up as soon as possible for you. To turn on Do Not Disturb manually, just swipe down from the top to open Quick Settings. Then, tap the Do Not Disturb icon, and boom, your notifications and calls are silenced instantly. But what if you want this to happen automatically? Let's set up a schedule. Step 1. Press and hold the Do Not Disturb icon in Quick Settings. Step 2. Tap on Schedules to open Automation Settings. Step 3. Choose your preferred days and time for silent mode. Step 4. Customize which apps or contacts can still notify you. Step 5. Done. Your phone will now automatically enter Do Not Disturb mode at the times you've set. This way, you stay focused when needed and never miss important alerts when it matters. No more interruptions during deep work, sleep, or meetings. So, that's how you schedule Do Not Disturb on your phone. Easy, right? If this was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.